Hey everyone, we're back. We got something new. We got a buddy that has a 2019 Ram Power Wagon, 3/4 ton. What he wants to put on is a front runner Diamondback rack system. So since we've got a little more space to work than he does, and it's one of those things that he thinks an extra pair of hands and eyes will help, we invited him on up, and heck, I'm happy to drill holes in other people's stuff. So we're going to put some work into that. We'll have that little project for you. Maybe we'll dub it Racket. So he's on his way. We're kind of getting things cleaned up and ready to get him pulled in here and get that put on, but we thought it might be a nice little addition for the channel so you guys can check this thing out. It's getting to be summertime, so of course people are out on their mountain bikes with their kayaks and even the overlanding stuff. So that's kind of what he's setting this pickup up to do. So we're going to help him out and get this rack put on. So we'll show you how the process goes. Maybe it'll be something that'll work for you. So these are going to be the rails that mount on the top of the cover, of which the rack system itself will secure in there, and then we'll be able to adjust. But right now we're getting it set together so we can figure out how and where we're going to get these on top, so we can line these up so there's no clearance issues for the bolts, nuts, washers on the cover itself. So we're test fitting to see how things line up with this release handle bracket because of how the bolts and washers have to mount underneath.
Right now we're just lining up all these rails, getting the second one in, slowly opening up the hole as we go, and then bolting her down and securing it. Making progress.
Now we got all of the support brackets and rails put in place. Now basically all we have to do is put the brackets that slide in here, the end caps on, and then the crossbars. So we'll get those put on, the rest of this knocked out, and get the cosmetic stuff put on there, and we'll be done. All right, so that wraps it up. This is the front runner rack system going on this 2019 3/4 ton Ram. Turned out really well. Trey's going to have a rooftop tent that he'll probably mount on here, so we may have this thing back in the shop here in a little bit to help him get that mounted up. But that's it. It was a relatively easy system. It's actually really nice. You can put some mountain bikes on here, kayaks, quite a bit of stuff. So as you can see, it consists of some rails and the crossbars. The biggest thing was getting the alignment of these mounting brackets in order to put the crossbars on there. But it really wasn't too bad. Just took a little bit of time to check and recheck, but that's it.